You aren't going to make you leave collateral at the door.
I know, right?
That's
oh
a
my
gorgeous gosh,
gosh,
right there.
it's amazing.
Isn't it though? We can all dream.
Yes.
Okay, so Jordan, what kind of weather we can have this weekend?
Yeah, it's going to kind of be hit or miss, Joyce, because we do have a couple fronts that are going to be moving through. Right now, some of you are looking a little dry, some of you are getting the rain, and that's how tomorrow's going to start out. And then another front moves through Saturday night, bringing a big amount of rain, but also some mountain snow, which I was mentioning earlier. But you can see pretty dreary, pretty gloomy outside right now. But even when it's cloudy outside, I mean, how gorgeous is this view? Can't really get sick of this. I still love it, at least. All right, here's a look at our satellite and radar where, again, some of you are dry, some of you are wet. Just depends. A lot of showers south of Olympia and east of Seattle, and also the mountain snow. But get a load of the accumulation we've had so far. Most of us are below 1/10 of an inch, with the exception of a couple locations. But look at Olympia, almost 1/2 of an inch. So again, most of the wet weather, the bulk of that moisture to the south. So also with the winter weather advisory, I was talking about snow in the mountains. We have that winter weather advisory, the areas here in purple, and I've labeled when they expire. So this one ends tonight at 6 o'clock, but I'll tell you what that's going to turn into. And this is the Cascades of Lewis and Pierce County, and these are the Cascades from Skagit, Whatcom, Snohomish, King County, and this ends at 6 o'clock tomorrow night, okay? And then obviously going into eastern Washington, those last a little bit longer, but just for our local mountains, I wanted to mention when those expire. And so now that will turn into a winter storm warning, the one that expires tonight for Lewis and Pierce County, of course, the Cascades of those counties. So that winter storm warning could bring anywhere from 10 to 23 inches over the weekend, just in that area of pink specifically. So looking at a pretty active couple of days. As we take you into motion here, the clock into motion, into forward motion, you can see just a few kind of scattered showers off and on throughout the afternoon and evening. And then as we get into tonight, that's when the bulk of that moisture really starts to ramp up. So if you do have plans to go out tonight, definitely grab the jacket before you head out the door. I mentioned hit or miss because notice by tomorrow morning, we're just dealing with a few spotty showers left behind, but it doesn't last very long because by tomorrow night, we have another round of rain and it looks to last through Sunday. So Sunday does look to be a little bit more wet throughout the day, but tomorrow night is when we'll really start to see it ramp up. So here's a look at the rest of today. Showers and breezy by 3 o'clock. We'll increase our rain though by around dinner time, depending on what time you eat dinner, of course, but definitely by 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and then we'll just call it rainy and breezy as we get into tonight. Here is a look at the next 7 days, and I did mention we're going to have a pretty wet weekend, not just here in the lowlands, but up in the mountains as well, because that snow level actually goes from about 2,500 feet tomorrow to about 5,000 feet as we get into Sunday, and then it stays to about 6,000 feet on Monday. So we'll keep showers in the forecast, maybe some sun breaks too. I think out of the 2 days this weekend, tomorrow is going to be a little bit better because we'll get that little break in the first half of the day. But then again, tomorrow night, the rain returns.
Okay, a lot going on.
Yeah, it's a pretty busy weekend.
Wet and snow in the mountains.
Yes.
Okay, Jordan, thank you.